Okay, number 10. You are an ice cream maker and decide that ice cream with 9% butterfat is best to sell. How many gallons of ice cream with 5% butterfat should be mixed with ice cream that is 15% butterfat to make 200 gallons of desired blend? Okay, so just like all these other word problems, we have to define our variables, which are what we're trying to find in this problem. So we're trying to find number of gallons of ice cream with 5% butterfat and number of gallons of ice cream with 15% butterfat. Alright, so we got to do a chart again. So we got 5% butterfat and we got 15% butterfat. Okay, so up here it's going to be number of gallons of ice cream so number of gallons of ice cream with 5% butterfat, that's going to be X. This one is going to be Y. Then you want times the percentage of butterfat. That's going to be 5% or 0.05, and this one is 0.15, and that's going to equal that's going to equal number of gallons with 9% butterfat. Okay, so this is going to be 0.05x, we multiply. This is going to be 0.15y. Okay, x plus y, that's going to have to be 200 gallons of ice cream. 5% butterfat, x plus 15% y, that's going to have to be 9%, okay, of 200 gallons. So now I've set up my system of equations. Now I can multiply through by 100 to get rid of the decimals. This is going to be 5x. This is going to be 15y equals 9 times 200, which is really 1800. Then I can divide all the way through here by 5, which gives me x plus 3y equals 360. Then I can do subtract y, and I get x equals 200 minus y. I can substitute and get 200 minus y plus 300 equals 360. Combine the y's and you get 2y. Subtract 200, you get 2y equals 160. Divide by 2, you get y equals 80. So 80 gallons of the 15% butterfat. Plug that in for Y to figure out the 5% butterfat, and you get 120 gallons. So there are our answers for that one.